Ensure there is enough solution present so the kit moves freely on the mirror. Align the kit so it is positioned evenly around the edge of the mirror and squeegee in place around the inside edge. With wet fingers, stretch outward firmly until most of the excess wrinkles are pulled out from the top and bottom of the kit. Using very firm pressure, squeegee from the inside edge of the mirror to the outside edge of the mirror. Using enough pressure, the squeegee should flex or bend, indicating a firm amount of pressure that is required to lay the material down evenly. Now squeegee the wrinkles that are left on the edges. Once again, you should notice a bend in the squeegee, indicating the extreme pressure being applied to the film. The pressure from the squeegee will help lay down any remaining fingers. For installation of the bumper kit, begin by wetting the surface with the soap solution and carefully roll out the material as shown. Once you have the material on the vehicle, it will be necessary to re-wet both the adhesive side of the film and the painted surface with the soap solution to allow the kit to be easily positioned. Center the kit on the vehicle while positioning the middle of the upper edge of the kit 1/8 of an inch from the edge of the flat portion of the bumper surface. Check to make sure that the kit is in position and aligned properly. Once the kit is in position, force the alcohol solution between the kit and the bumper. Make a few passes with the squeegee in the middle of the kit to tack the material in place. Place your hand palm down onto the material and stretch the plastic outward until the film lines up with the tow hook hole. Force the alcohol solution between the kit and the bumper. Squeegee from the middle to the tow hook hole. Align the plastic with the edge of the parking light by placing your hand on top of the material and stretching the kit into position. Force the alcohol solution between the kit and the bumper and tack the corner. For areas that do not sit flat on the bumper, place your hand on top of the film and compress the film into the contoured area and then follow behind with the squeegee. Now that the upper portion of the bumper is complete, place your hand on the bottom part and stretch the material into place and squeegee the solution out from underneath. Lift the material up from the bottom corner and flush the soap solution out with the alcohol solution and lay the material into place. Make sure the kit is aligned properly and tack the bottom. Use your hand to help conform the film in the lower portion and follow behind with the squeegee. Make sure the remaining piece around the signal lamp is aligned properly using the alcohol solution and finish with the squeegee. For the lower piece, make sure it is aligned evenly across the bottom of the bumper and then finish with the squeegee as shown. For the top piece, begin by wetting the surface and the film with the soap solution and align the material evenly across the top. Spray the alcohol between the film and the painted surface and tack the middle. Place your hand on top of the material and stretch the film until it aligns with the outer edge of the lower bumper kit. Spray the alcohol between the film and the painted surface to flush out the soap. Take the squeegee and tack the corner of the film as shown. Re-wet the painted surface with the alcohol and make sure the kit is aligned evenly across the front. Finish by squeegeeing out the solution from underneath the material. With the application now complete, use a soft, lint-free cloth and wipe the surface of the material, ensuring that the edges of the film are properly adhered to the vehicle.